Welcome to the Sage 50 US Edition Year-End Support Learning topic. In this topic, you will learn how to fix damaged or missing user-maintained tax tables. If you are receiving the error, the following formula listed on the employee record does not exist in payroll formulas for user-maintained tax formulas, such as 401k deductions or sick and vacation time calculations, it can mean that your user-maintained tax tables are damaged or missing. You can verify this by trying to access the user-maintained tax tables. If you receive a managed exception error when attempting to open the window, or there are no taxes listed in the user-maintained payroll formulas window, then the tax table data file located in your company data folder is likely damaged. To resolve this issue, you will need to perform the following tasks. First, you will need to place a Sage 50 backup of undamaged data on your Windows desktop. This backup should have been made at a time when you are not receiving the error during payroll entry. Next, you will extract the file taxtable.dat from the backup. Finally, you will copy the undamaged tax table file into your company data folder, overriding the damaged tax table file. For your convenience, you can print out the instructions outlined in this topic by accessing the Sage 50 knowledge base on the web and searching for article 14138. Please be aware of the following. Use caution when following the steps outlined in this video. If necessary, seek the assistance of a qualified network administrator, Sage partner, or Sage 50 customer support analyst. Always create a backup of your Sage 50 company data before proceeding with the advanced steps outlined in this topic. Before attempting to correct the issue, follow the instructions outlined in this topic on the computer that hosts the company data. This will help avoid possible network restrictions while the problem is corrected. Log on to the host computer as a computer administrator. This will ensure that you will be able to modify Sage 50 files stored on the computer if necessary. And log in to your Sage 50 company data with administrator or full access credentials. You will need to have full access to all areas of the program during this process. Before walking through the tasks outlined in this topic, you should first make a backup of your current company data. To make a backup, select the System Navigation Center, and in the Backup and Restore Data section, click Backup Now. On the Backup Company window, click the Backup button. You will not need to add this backup to your regular backup set. Click inside the file name and name the backup something unique. Once the problem is resolved, you can delete this backup. After making a backup, continue to the next step. To correct the problem, you will need to access your company data folder in Windows. You can determine the location of your company data folder by accessing the System Navigation Center, and in the Company Maintenance section, make note of the directory path. Now exit Sage 50. In Windows, place a copy of a Sage 50 backup containing undamaged data on your desktop. This backup should have the file extension PTB. If you do not see file extensions, you can turn them on in Windows 8 and Windows 10 by selecting View at the top of Windows Explorer and then checking File Name Extensions. On the Windows desktop, right-click on the PTB backup and select Rename. Rename the three-letter PTB file name extension to ZIP. Click Yes to the rename prompt. Now double-click on the backup to open the compressed file in Windows Explorer. Locate the taxtable.dat file, right-click on it, and select Copy. This will place a copy of the file in your Windows clipboard. Now, using the directory path you noted in the System Navigation Center, browse to your company data folder. Inside the company data folder, place your mouse cursor in an area that doesn't highlight a file, and then right-click. On the context menu, select Paste. On the Copy File prompt, select to replace the existing taxtable.dat file with the one copied from the backup. Now exit Windows Explorer and open your company in Sage 50. Now verify that the problem is corrected by opening the User Maintained Payroll Formulas window and verifying that your company formulas are listed. If you still receive the errors, then it likely means that the backup used also contained a damaged taxtable.dat file. Repeat the steps outlined in this video with earlier backups until the problem is corrected. Once you have corrected the issue, make a backup of the repaired company data. If the problem persists, please contact Sage 50 customer support for further assistance.